Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, we'll be doing a video on how to prevent lifting and how to prep the nail. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Do not forget to check out my Amazon list. It will be all linked down below in the description. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you're new here, do not forget to turn the bell so you're notified every time I upload. And here in this video, I will be doing a video on how to prevent lifting and how to prep. And as you can see here, I'm just going in and pushing back the cuticles on my client's nails, making sure that you're not doing it too rough, because then you will hurt your client and you do not want to do that at all. Okay, and then here, as you can see, I'm going in with my fine zebra sanding band. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you get every little corner on the nail, making sure that on the natural nail there is no shine at all, because that is a problem with lifting, because you're leaving oils there. And you do not want to apply too much pressure either, because you don't want to hurt your client. So I suggest to, if you're barely starting out, to take your time, to try not to hurt your client, which is main priority, and just go in slowly. And you also do not want to go in with a high speed, because then it will go too fast and you're gonna give your client a burn on their nail, and you do not want to do that at all. But as you can see here, I'm just going in around the cuticle and on the sides, making sure that I'm going in and getting every little bit of corner of the nail, making sure that I'm removing all the oils. But you also do not want to stay there too long, because you do not want to thin out your client's nails, because that will damage them. So please keep that in mind when you're doing this. And you could go in with either a zebra one or the brown ones, but I suggest to go in with these. Another thing I do want to talk about, I do want to put out a disclaimer that this is not going to work for everybody. Everybody does nails different. Everybody uses different products and, different quality and all that. And this might not work for you. And that's fine, because people have different types of nail beds, different types of oils. Here I'm just brushing out the nails. And this might not work for you. So I do suggest to do more research and not just go off my video, but I do suggest to go watch other people's videos and see how they do it, see if we do something different, and try out new things, because it might not work for you, it might not work for everybody, it might not work for all your clients, and that is fine. Not all products you think they're going to be good because I use them. So I do suggest to do some research on that. And as you can see here, I'm just going in and applying my nail tips. I am using the KDS glue, and I am using my Nail Supply Glamour Royal tips. And comment down below if you guys want to see a video on how to apply tips, because I have been getting a couple suggestions to do a video on that. So please comment down below if you guys want to see that. I know not a lot of people struggle with that, but some people did suggest to do it. So please comment down below if you guys want to see a video on how I apply the tips. I didn't record the filing process, but this is how they looked. She did want a coffin shape, so I did give her that. And here, as you can see, I'm going back in with my e-file, making sure that where the natural nail and the tip meets, it is smooth. You do not want to keep the little bump, just because it will help you with your application. And here, as you can see, I'm just going in and removing that so it could be smooth. But you also do not want to apply too much pressure, because you will cause your client to get a burn, and you do not want to give your client a burn. So here, as you can see, I'm just doing this to all the nails. And here, as you can see, after I'm done filing, I make sure to dust off all the dust from her nails on top and underneath the nails. And then I will be going in with my Young Nails Protein Bond. That is what I use currently for my client's primer. And I just go in once and making sure that it is all on there, and I do go in again before I apply the product. So here, as you can see, I did want to show you guys the process of this nail set, so I did want to give you guys a little tutorial as well. So here, as you can see, on the pinky, the middle finger, and the thumb, I will be going in and adding clear as my base, just so if she soaks off her nails, she doesn't get like a blue stain on her nails. We do not want to cause that, so I am going in and applying my primer and going in with the clear acrylic just so it can have a base. After going in with the Mia Secret Clear, I am going to go in with this Glam and Glitz color in the color Jennifer, and it is a really pretty royal blue, and I will be adding this to the whole nail on the pinky and the middle finger and the thumb. And you will see that I do go in a couple times just because this color, it's not opaque, but when I kept adding it, I guess my beads were just a little too watery, but that was completely my fault. But here, as you can see, I'm just going in and cleaning the cuticle, making sure that you do not get this on the cuticle because it will stain the cuticle because it is a really dark blue color. So then here, as you can see on the ring finger, I will be going in and doing a marble with the Glam and Glitz Jennifer and the Mia Secret Clear. And if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to do a marble, I will link that video down below in the description if you guys do not know how to do a marble. Here, as you can see on the pointer finger, I will be doing an ombre, and I am going to go in with the Glam and Glitz color in Jennifer, just applying that on the tip. you can see, my client did want to get her boyfriend's initials, so I did get the G and a R, and these are just gold English letters. I will link a link down below in the description if you guys are interested on purchasing these. And I am just adding one on top, like on the cuticle area, and then another one at the tip, at the very edge. And here we were just deciding where to put it, but we did ended up agreeing on the edge, on the tip. And then I am going to go in with my Secret Clear to cap the nail, making sure that when I'm filing that none of the letters come off. And then here, as you can see, my client did also want some gold PlayBoy metal charm bunnies. So I did go ahead and we did apply one on the tip on the pointer finger. And I'm just making sure that it's nice and symmetrical and even. And I will be going in with my Secret Clear to cap it, so that way whenever I'm filing, it does not come off. And I will still be adding my nude and then encapsulating my ombre. So you do want to make sure you do that. And then here, as you can see, I am going to cap all the blue nails on the pinky, middle finger, and thumb. And then here, as you can see, to create my ombre, I am going to go in with my Matte Secret Cover Nude Blush, and I am going to go in with my Young Nails Protein Bond, as you can see right here, and going in with the Cover Nude Blush and just ombreing the nail. And here, as you can see, I'm going to go in with my Matte Secret Clear, and I'm going to encapsulate the whole nail of the ombre. So after I did apply all the acrylic, I did go in and file, and I did forget to record me applying the crystals, but I just did apply the crystals in the middle finger, pinky, around the cuticle area, as you can see here. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and see you guys in the next video.